is social media really replacing family dynamics? Yes, we are in the era of social media, in the area of technology, in the area of advanced communication through social media. Now, is social media really replacing traditional family dynamics? Somebody will ask, what is family dynamics? Family dynamics are patterns of interactions and relationship within the family unit. Now, in this system, the family comes together, interacts, share ideas, you know, decision making, they make decision, communication, affection, and standing up for each other. But is social media really replacing the traditional family dynamics? In this time, the husband is with phone, the wife is with phone, the mother is with phone, the father is with phone, children are with phone, and everybody is busy on the internet. People will be in the same house, but they are living far apart because of social media. Either the husband is on X, arguing, or the wife is on Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, doing their own thing. Children are put on, Coco Melon to watch cartoon and that. So, is social media doing us well, or is it tearing the normal family dynamics? I want us to discuss it. What do you think is the effect, long-term effect of the era of the social media replacing traditional family dynamics? You remember in the olden time, or in the 2000, maybe 80s, 70s, 2000, from 2000, people, gather children, their family, when a man comes back from work, or the wife, they come back from business, they come back, they talk, they laugh as a family, pray together, joy, gist together. But that thing is gradually fading away. Even as the husband is coming back from work, he's with his phone. Even while in the house, he's with his phone, busy with his phone. The wife, as she's cooking or she's doing other things, she's with her phone. While in the house, she's with her phone. The children are, on the other hand, they are with their own phone. So the family, that's why the family unit is gradually. So these are the disadvantage of the social media, affecting our generation. I know that we have the advantages of the social media in the family. Maybe after children have grown, then in different parts of the world, that we have the WhatsApp group where we connect, families connect and love. But I tell you, majorly family unit is being disintegrating right now because of social media. The connection between husband and wife is no longer too deep. The connection between mother and children are no longer too deep. The connection between father and children are no longer too deep. The connection within the family circle is disintegrating because of the era of social media. They will also, when they try to stay together, even in that discussion, one person is with his or her phone, while somebody say, I'm busy, I'm doing something. The family unit or family dynamics is gradually being replaced by social media. Someone will tell you, okay, instead of this, just text me, send it to me, send me as a text, I will read it, instead of physical communication, even while staying in the same house. Family patterns, it means those unique patterns that differentiate various families from each other, like how family makes decisions, how family communicates, how family shows affection to each other or stand up for each other. So is social media really, disintegrating these family dynamics or family unit? Or is it really bringing family dynamics together and, in unity? What do you think? What do you think? Between now and the next 10 years, how will the family, dynamics look like in this era of social media, in this invasion of social media? Do you still think that it will bring the family unit together, or it will disintegrate the family unit to get apart? I want to hear from you. I want to learn from you. I want to know, what do you think? For me, I think that social media is gradually replacing family dynamics, and it's not going to be good for us. We need to find a way, especially families that are together, husband and wife and children that are together, or mother and children, or father and children that are still together in the house. We should also create time for family bonding, because I tell you, especially parents, especially older ones that have people that are depending on them, if you don't bond with them when they have grown, and you allow social media to carry you over when they have grown, some of them might not even remember that they have that you are part of them. So in social media, I want to know from you, is social media replacing traditional family dynamics, or is it binding it together? I want to hear from you. I want to learn from you. I want to learn if truly social media is binding the family dynamics together, or social media is replacing traditional family dynamics. What do you have to say? What are the advantages of social media in the family unit, and what are the disadvantages of social media to the family unit? What do you have to say? I want to hear you. I want to hear your thoughts. Write down your thoughts in the comment. I want to learn from you, because to me, I feel that so many things, social media is gradually replacing family dynamics. Social media is gradually replacing the physical touch, the physical connection, the physical bond that family should have. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till we see again, to Choma. We just want to connect with ourselves to know what social media, how to go about the family dynamics. God bless you.